Sellowiana information. Sellowiana, commonly known as Feijoa or pineapple guava, is a small evergreen tree or shrub that is native to South America, particularly Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina. It is widely cultivated for its edible fruit, which has a sweet, aromatic flavor reminiscent of pineapple, guava, and strawberry. Here are some key facts about Sellowiana. Appearance: Sellowiana grows to a height of about 3 to 5 meters, 10 to 16 feet, and has grayish-brown bark. The leaves are oval-shaped, thick, and leathery, with a silvery underside. The flowers are large, showy, and white with crimson accents, and bloom in spring or early summer. The fruit is green and egg-shaped, with a gritty, edible pulp inside. Culinary uses: the fruit of Sellowiana is commonly eaten fresh, sliced in half and scooped out with a spoon. It can also be used to make juice, jams, jellies, and other sweet treats. The fruit is high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Growing conditions: Sellowiana is a hardy and adaptable plant that can grow in a wide range of soils and climates. It prefers well-draining, slightly acidic soil and moderate moisture, and can tolerate drought and light frost. The plant is self-fertile, but yields can be improved with cross-pollination from other varieties. Medicinal uses: Sellowiana has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. It has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including diarrhea, fever, respiratory infections, and skin conditions. Other uses: Sellowiana has also been used for ornamental purposes, as it has attractive foliage and flowers. The plant is also used in landscaping as a hedge or screen, and as a windbreak. Overall, Sellowiana is a versatile and valuable plant with a range of culinary, medicinal, and ornamental uses. Its unique flavor and hardiness make it a popular choice for home gardens and commercial production alike.